Definitive Technology is back with a new speaker lineup, and this is their Dymension Series bipolar loudspeaker. It's officially replacing their very successful BP9000 series model that has been available for several years now. Literally, one thing I love about this brand, Definitive Technology, unlike other brands, they don't release products unnecessarily. They take so many years, they take their time, they make a product and it becomes successful. I love this kind of companies that don't just throw things into the market like that. So this is their new Dymension Series bipolar loudspeaker. They have four bipolar towers. You're getting four bipolar towers. You have three center channel speakers. You have a height model speakers system. Then you also have a surround speaker. You have a surround speaker for Dolby Atmos DTSX systems, depending on what you want to set up. Definitive Technology has been making pretty much, they've just been manufacturing bipolar loudspeakers going back to 1991. That's how far back they've been making this sort of speakers, and this is a testament to so many years of their experience. So bipolar loudspeakers are a type of speaker that are designed to emit sound, to present you with sound from multiple directions, because they have multiple drivers by their sides, and they're just not gonna have a straightforward driver that is pointing at you. So it's meant to present sound in a much more immersive 3D fashion, because it's not going to come directly from the center of the speaker but from around the speaker. So that's what bipolar can be able to do. And the other thing again is that, the way Definitive Technology makes their speakers, they make the speakers to come with a woofer inside. Like I'm talking about subwoofer inside their speakers. So once you do buy their speaker, technically they'll tell you not to bother about it subwoofer, because they already will put in a strong, powerful woofer drivers to be able to handle all the low frequency you will need. So that's something that this company has been doing for several years. Okay, so let's see the towers. The towers include the DM40, the DM60, the DM60, the DM70. So that these are the towers that you'll be getting your hands on. Now, the other thing again is that there is also their flagship DM80. Their DM80, which is the biggest in their lineup, is very similar to their BP9000 series, where they had, I think, 3 or 4 loudspeakers that you could choose from. So you have that same experience there. The Dymension series will offer plenty of room filling sound for your stereo listening and home theater experience. So you're just going to enjoy very good sound presentation. The speakers were made in such a way that the presentation of sound would not be an issue in general for you. Like it has a lot of output. It has a lot of output, and it's wrapped in an acoustically transparent removable cloth, which helps them visually disappear in a darkened room. And the DM80 floor standing speaker, and even also their DM30 sender speaker driver are the very best performance based drivers that Definitive Technology has to offer till date, and that's something that you'll be very pleased with. You have a built-in 12-inch powered subwoofer inside this DM80. That's massive, and it has a 400 watts of amplifier that would deliver clean and detailed bass response for you. So this is one thing I've said about Definitive Technology that makes them almost the best brand in the reasonable budget price range to offer speakers in the world, is because they can actually offer you two-in-one solution. They offer you a subwoofer in the cabinet of their speakers. They do not allow you to waste money to go out to go and buy an external subwoofer when they can give you a massive 12-inch driver inside the speaker cabinet and allow you to enjoy very, very good sound presentation with great bass without you needing to go out to buy a subwoofer anymore. So the other thing again is that the cabinet is very well made, very well braced. That's what you get. The DM90 integrated height model is just there to offer you DTS:X and Dolby Atmos height channels, depending on what you actually would like. The DM30 is your flagship standard channel, pretty much coming with a 5.25 inch mid-range woofers. There is also a 1-inch aluminum tweeter there as well. There is a built-in powered subwoofer, just 8-inch subwoofer inside. So even in the center speaker, you still get an 8-inch subwoofer. So really, really massive. This thing is really, really massive. I am impressed with this company. They've been very consistent over the years. They don't just make crap. That's something they do take their time to make. So in terms of pricing, the price starts from $700 and go all the way up to $5,000. So it's more or less about what you can afford and if it's something you're willing to spend a lot of money to be able to get. The DM40 is pretty much $2,000 for a pair. The DM60 is $3,000. The DM70 is $4,000, while the DM80 is $5,000. So that's the deal here. That's really the deal here. And the DM80 is coming with a 12-inch subwoofer, which is incredible, and you're getting all that for a pair of $5,000. That's what you pay to get this DM80. The center speakers, the DM10 is $700. The DM30 is 1,500 dollars each. Then finally the height speakers is $999 for the DM90, and then the DM95 is $799. So do check out the details below for the new Definitive Technology Dymension speakers. Subscribe to the channel. See you guys very much next time.